How to manage your favorites on Facebook PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple and easy. Just go to Facebook. This is the home page. Now all what you have to do is just go right here, and here you will find favorites. Click on favorites like this, and now all what you have to do is go here. Here you will find your saved favorites. Click on manage favorites. And here, as you can see, you can take control and customize your news feed. You can manage the favorites, the snooze, the unfollow, the reconnect, and the reaction preferences. You have many options, as you can see. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching until the end. See you later.